I've never seen such an impressive man. He made a small water pump using just 2 plastic lids, and the method is extremely simple. By the end, I understood the saying, hidden talents among the people. He first used an electric soldering iron to weld 1 large and 1 small hole onto the lid. Then take a small motor from a toy car, apply some hot glue on it, and stick it onto the lid with a small hole. Grab a larger cap, use it to make a circular mark on the surface, and carve out the circle with a steel knife. Use some of the scrap pieces cut from the sides of the bottle caps and place them tightly together to form a spiral shape. Then, make a hole in the center and attach it to the motorized lid using hot glue to secure it. Then, cover it with the other lid and use an electric soldering iron to make a hole in the edge. This hole will be the water outlet for the pump. Continue by taking a piece of wood, connect the water pump along with the battery and switch, and fix them onto it to form a base for the water pump. Lastly, install 2 hoses on the sides, which will serve as the water pump's inlet. The other hole needs no explanation. Everyone knows by now. At this point, the entire water pump device is completed. Isn't it super simple? Now you just need to use a syringe to inject some water into it to give the water pump an initial power. Turn on the switch, and you can steal water. Isn't it fun? How about it? Do you want to like and save it to try making one at home?